Welcome back to the channel. Now, in this video, what I want to do is to pretty much go ahead and continue on where we left off. So, what happened was that in the last video, we created a post update script. So, this script, I can show you here. It goes ahead and it does a yarn upgrade and it upgrades all the packages in our dependencies to the latest version. Um, and this is not something that we may always want. This is pretty much just done as an easy way to update the different packages that we have and also update UIkit and bring over the files that we need. Now, again, as I mentioned before, this is not something that we may always want. So I actually wanted to add a script that will allow us to just update UIkit alone. So that is what we want to do in this tutorial. The first thing that I want to do is to actually I want to first go ahead and do a yarn add, and I want to add UIkit at a specific version. So what I found is that this is the upper thingy. I can't remember what it is. Doesn't the hat thingy doesn't really work the way that it should. So I'm gonna bring it down to about one version below, I would say. Or we could bring it down further, but let's just leave it at that. So this should install version 3.14 point, well, 3.14.0. Yeah, it's correct. So that's where we're at now. And if we should go to the node modules, let's try to find UIkit. It's all the way down here. Here we go. And if we go to this, is it build, well, this JS, and if we go to uikit.min, you can see that it's actually changed over to this version here. And that's awesome. That's what we want. Now, in the static JS and uikit.min or any one of them, you can see that it's actually not changing, and that's not what we want per se. So that is why it probably would be good if we have a script that either actually updates or downgrades the packages. But I think we're gonna focus mainly on updating the package that we want. All right, so for this, what we're gonna do is to come over here and we can actually just delete these out because it's gonna be at the latest version at this point. So we want to just have them removed for now. And what I can show you just as a proof of concept is that we can come over here and copy this here, paste it. So this is just for copying over the files that are in the node modules. So we can paste it in the terminal, enter. That should bring it over at this point. So now you can see that it's at 3.14.0. Same thing here. So we're at that version. So for the script now, it should be pretty simple. We just go to the package.json. We can go ahead and do a copy on there, and we can call this UIkit-Update. And I need to add a comma here at the end. So this will be our UIkit-Update script, or yeah, we can leave it at update. And what this is going to do is just gonna do a yarn add, and it's gonna add UIkit. So the reason why I'm doing a yarn add UIkit is because it's gonna give me the hot thingy right here that I prefer to see. That's basically allowing us to use versions. I think it allows us, and you can like correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not 100% sure, or you can leave a comment to let me know. Should basically allow you to use any version from 3 going upwards, I believe. So it's not this one. I believe it's the limits here are stuck or have you at 3.14.0, and we don't necessarily want that. So when we do a yarn add UIkit, it will add the thingy here, and then it's gonna copy over the files again just to show you these are at 3.14.0, and the same thing here. And we're gonna save this here, and then we're gonna check that the latest version that we have is 3.14.1. So this should upgrade when we do the UIkit upgrade script or update script. So let's go over here, clear this out, and we're gonna do a yarn UIkit update. And when you look over here now, you can see that we have uh, the little hat thingy and the 3.14.1, and it would have updated to the latest version as we have. And if we come over here, you can see that it's also updated. So these are the files that are actually inside of the static directory. So now you can see that these are actually updating as it is supposed to do. So that should pretty much be it for this video. We have pretty much accomplished the task that we had at hand, to pretty much just have a script that will update UIkit to the latest version, and also copy over the files inside of the static directory so that we can use it inside of our Nux config, and so that the files actually work, well, the icons actually work. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.